Yay! This is another beautiful weekend for my baby hairs as well. And that's Mr. Gaurav Sharma. कैसे हैं आप? कैसा जा रहा है आपका शनिवार?
All times you are not dining. Thank you for your cooperation.
Hi guys, here for the breakfast at Temple Canteen at Flushing. I eat dosa and I'll show you what is that. That's masala tea and this is ginger tea for me. We're waiting for our order. This is masala dosa and this is it's a combo of vada and idli. Yeah, that's it. For South Indian, this is our go-to place always, right?
Yeah.
Best. It's in the sambar. Sambar is delicious here. Okay, this place is amazing because everything is fresh. You can see in the kitchen, and you have to pick from there at the counter. And yeah, I'm waiting for my rava dosa, and I'm gonna show you. That's sambar. That's masala. These are the chutneys, and that's the rava dosa. Alright, we are here for the grocery. Yeah, this is store grocery. Let's do this. लोग पूछते हैं कि मैं पतली क्यों नहीं होती बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. गौरव शर्मा जी आइसक्रीम वाले सेक्शन में ऐसे खड़े हैं जैसे पता नहीं क्या खजाना मिल गया होता है इनको.
और रियाज के लिए लेनी है.
हाँ हाँ झूठे. ये इतना बड़ा डब्बा रियाज के लिए लिया. ये देखो कितना बड़ा. एंड देन चिप्स एंड दोज आर होली कलर्स. Alright, it's such a nice weather. Look, such a clear, nice, warm day. And what we are doing? Grocery. Second stop, shop and stop. Washroom. Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. This is another Saturday and weather is so good. You know what, I'm so happy. I'm so thankful to God. Like this year, it never happened, you know. So yeah, I was saying since we are here since last 5 years, it never happened that weather is so good in March. And but it is, it's so summery. You see, I'm not even wearing my jacket. Sharma is cold. He's wearing his Eskimo jacket. बंद नहीं है? ऐसे कैसे? देख के. So yeah, it's so good today, and we're just done with our shopping and breakfast, and now we are planning to celebrate Holi with Reyansh. He's right now at his grandfather's house, so we're gonna go there, and because obviously Holi is on Monday, but it's not Gaurav's off or anything, so we're gonna go there and celebrate Holi with Reyansh. And also I know I look weird. There's nothing on my face, just lipstick and a little bit of eyebrow. Yeah, and that's it. And look at my hair situation. It is so bad, and now I think it's time to get new haircut and keratin, right, Sharma ji? Yeah, it's time to spend a lot of money on my hair now because these baby hairs, they're not good. They are not good at all. Alright, I'm all set for Holi. Happy Holi. I'm wearing this old t-shirt I have. Like, this is not plain, but it has like all the colors. I bought this for Pride, I think. So yeah, for the Pride parade once, but I never wore it. I was wearing this for my night suit every day for sleeping. Yeah, but now I'm gonna wear it for Holi, and I hope I'll destroy it with Holi colors. Let's do this. Hey, Raju, let's play Holi. Are you ready for the Holi?
Yellow,
Yes.
red,
And which one is this?
purple.
Yay! You're my intelligent boy.
Okay.
Say happy Holi. इधर देखो, बोलो हैप्पी होली। ये हैप्पी होली। We are playing advanced Holi. Yeah. Holi is on Monday, but this is Saturday. It's a hot day, so we're gonna play Holi today with Riyash. Riyash, come! इसको रंग बिरंगा करेंगे हम ये काली छत को। Wow, we are winning. उड़ रहा है ये। Look at this plate. इसको ना पीछे रख देते हैं। Happy Holi, sunshine! Yay, Holi!
दिखाओ जरा।
पागल हो गए।
पागल ही हो गए और क्या।
शर्मे को लगा क्यों पागल कर रही? हैप्पी होली, हैप्पी होली, हैप्पी होली। पहले पिंपल इतने हैप्पी होली। होली है भाई, होली है, बुरा न मानो, होली है। हैप्पी होली,
Happy Holi, happy Holi.
होली। यश, sit. हैप्पी होली। Say हैप्पी होली। हैप्पी होली। चली नहीं रही होली।
पंप कर उसको।
इधर आओ, इधर। So Holi celebration is done. It was advanced Holi celebration, and we are done now. We are झाड़ोing our color and going downstairs. Yeah. All courtesy goes to our landlords. Their terrace is so good. हम यहाँ पे खेल रहे हैं, हम किराया दे रहे हैं उनको। देखो हमने टेरेस का भरपूर पहली बार फायदा उठाया है यहाँ पे, नहीं और क्या। ये शर्मा जी, मैंने जब से हमारी शादी हुई मैंने पहली बार देखा कि शर्मा जी इतना रोते हैं होली खेलते हुए। He's a cry baby.
वो पहले होता था, अब नहीं खेली जाती।
अबे जाओ, तुम बुढ़े हो गए हो।
और क्या।
उससे अच्छा तो रियाश ने खेली है। देखो रियाश काला हो गया बिल्कुल। अभी भी खेलने को तैयार है भाई रियाश सच में। आज शर्मा जी की असली आ गई है सामने मेरे। आफ्टर 5 years हमारी शादी के आफ्टर 9 months we came here, ठीक है। और उसके बाद we never celebrated होली before because यहाँ पे ठंडी इतनी होती है। This is for the first time we tried to celebrate होली and शर्मा जी was very hard. He was like acting जैसे पता नहीं कभी होली नहीं खेली होती है कभी भी। शर्मा को अपनी गाड़ी की फिक्र हो गई। शर्मा मेरी बेल्ट गंदी हो जाएगी मेरी गाड़ी। Look what he's doing for me. मेरे लिए सारा इंतजाम कर रहे थे, चादर बिछा रहे हैं। सीट पे चादर बिछा रहे हैं। ये देखो सिंहासन तैयार कर रही है अपनी बीवी के लिए, है ना। बीवी इज अ ब्रैट। इज योर बीवी ब्रैट? ओ माय गॉड, अब देखा मैंने अपना शक्ल अच्छे से। हैप्पी होली। होली ऐसी होनी चाहिए।